You can have more than one sprite in your coding. Let's add another sprite for mom. Click this button, and find a sprite named Character 1 in the People section, then add it to your coding. Give this new sprite name, Mom, and move it to the right. Let's change the costume for the second sprite. Make sure that Mom sprite is selected, then go to the Costumes tab. Here, choose a costume for the mom sprite to change the sprite's appearance. We will flip the mom sprite over so that it faces left, and mom faces the kid sprite. Click on this Flip Horizontal button to flip the position. By having two sprites, now we can create conversation between mom and kid. For example, click Mom sprite. Go back to tab code. Then, use the purple block on the Mom sprite for conversation. At the very top, add a yellow block when the green flag clicked. And add the purple block. Now, try running your coding. No good. The mom speaks while the kid is still thinking. Preferably, the mom only talks after the kid moves to the center. So, mom sprite have to wait before speaking. How long will mom sprite have to wait? Take a look at the kid sprite. Kid will think for 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals 10 seconds. Then, it takes the kid 2 seconds to move to the center. So it takes 12 seconds in total for the kid sprites to think and move. So, the mom sprite needs to wait for at least 12 seconds. Click on the mom sprite, and look at the orange code blocks. Here, there is a wait block. Drag this wait block to the mom sprite, below block, when green flag clicked. Then change the value so that the mom waits for 12 seconds. Run your code again, and now it looks better. The mom only talks after the kid moves, so it looks like a conversation. You can also make the kid sprites reply to mom. See this example. Kid sprite should talk after the mom sprites have finished speaking. Back to mom sprite. Mom needs 3 seconds to talk, so we will make the kid to wait at least 3 seconds before reply. Let's add the code, wait, in the kid sprite, for 3 seconds. So, to make conversation, we use purple block and wait block. When the mom talks for a few seconds, the kid sprites will wait for the same number of seconds. And the other way around. When the kid talks, the mom sprite will wait. One more example. For conversation with mom. Wait for 2 seconds, because here the kid will say, I don't have pencil, for 2 seconds. Then mom will lend her pencil. You can drag the orange and purple blocks and arrange them at the bottom. Or you can copy an existing block by right-clicking on the block you need to copy and selecting duplicate. For example, if we want to copy the orange and purple blocks, move the mouse over the first wait block, right-click the mouse, and select duplicate. Then Scratch will give the orange block and all other blocks under it. Link this duplicate to the bottom, then change the waiting time in the words. We will wait 2 seconds, which is the time it takes for the kid to say, I don't have a pencil, and mom will lend a pencil. Now, let's add a pencil sprite. You already know how, right? Click on this button, then look for a pencil sprite. What a big pencil! Let's make it smaller by changing the number in the size section. Change size to 25. Move the pencil sprite on the table. On pencil sprite, add a when flag green clicked block at the very top. This pencil sprite will only appear after mom sprite say, use my pencil. So, at the start, this sprite should be hidden first. You can show or hide sprites with purple, show, or hide blocks. Add hide to hide the pencil, then add a wait block to the pencil sprite, and finally, add a purple show block. How long does the sprite have to wait for it to appear? Let's take a look at the mom sprite. Add up all the seconds, from the beginning until you finish saying, use my pencil. 12 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, the total is 20 seconds. Return to the pencil sprite, and wait 20 seconds. Then show the pencil. Now, let's take a look at the results. Run your coding. If you want to see it in bigger size, you can click this button. Wow, you can create conversations between mom and kid, hide, and show sprites. Great, you have succeeded in making good coding. To go back, click on this button. If you are using the online version of Scratch, you can share your coding by clicking the Share button at the top, copying the link, and sharing this link with your friends, parents, or teachers. Thanks for watching.